नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम इन अवर ऑनलाइन स्टडी ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स।
दोस्तों नमस्कार। आज के इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 10th के मैथमेटिक्स में सरफेस एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम चैप्टर पर चर्चा करेंगे। तो आइए हमारे इस वीडियो का आनंद लीजिए और अपने ज्ञान को बढ़ाइए। सबसे पहले ये विचार, सुबह की नींद इंसान के इरादों को कमजोर करती है। मंजिलों को हासिल करने वाले कभी देर तक सोया नहीं करते। वो आगे बढ़ते हैं जो सूरज को जगाते हैं, वो पीछे रह जाते हैं जिनको सूरज जगाता है। तो हमेशा इस विचार को अपने ध्यान में रखिए और इसी को पालन करते हुए अपने भविष्य को उज्जवल बनाइए। देर तक सोने की आदत को छोड़िए और अपने भविष्य को उज्जवल बनाने के लिए आगे बढ़िए। तो चलिए हमारे इस वीडियो में सरफेस एरिया ऑफ ए सिलेंडर, ऑब्जेक्टिव हम लोग क्या क्या सीखेंगे। एट द एंड ऑफ द लेसन द स्टूडेंट शुड बी एबल टू फाइंड द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर। ओके, सो व्हाट इज सिलेंडर? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज ए सिलेंडर? आप सिलेंडर से क्या समझते हैं? द टर्म सिलेंडर refers to a right circular cylinder like a right prism. Its altitude is perpendicular to the base and has an end point in each base. This is the definition of cylinder, and here are some images of cylinder. So this type all geometrical shape known as cylinder. Presentation. Now I want to tell you that about the cylinder. So this upper part is known as base and this is altitude, that is the perpendicular line is known as altitude, and this line is known as, this line segment is known as radius, and this bottom is also known as base. So there are two bases, that is upper base and lower base, and this is the total surface. This blue part is known as surface. So these all are cylinder. So this part is known as surface area. Okay, and upper part is known as base and lower part is also known as base. Now what will happen if we remove the end of the cylinder and unroll the body? Let's find out. Means अगर हम सिलेंडर को कट करके ओपन कर दें तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? This will happen if we unroll and remove the end of a cylinder, then this part will be get a rectangular part. This is the rectangle. मीन्स हमने क्या किया, टॉप हटा लिया और बेस को भी हटा दिया और बाकी के पार्ट को ओपन कर लिया, अनफोल्ड कर लिया, अनरोल्ड कर लिया। तो ये पार्ट हमें जो मिलेगा, मीन्स जो सरफेस था वो आपका सरफेस इस टाइप में चेंज हो जाएगा, दैट इज रेक्टेंगल। सो सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द बेस, ओके, एंड h, दिस इज द हाइट ऑफ द, this is the height of the cylinder, and this length is, this is the circumference of the base. So length, this circumference is converted into the length of the base, and this height of the cylinder is changed into the height of the rectangle. So this lower part is known as, area of this lower part is pi r square, and the area of upper part is also pi r square. So total area of upper and lower base is 2 pi r square, because pi r square plus pi r square, that is 2 pi r square. And now we can find the area of rectangle also by using the formula length into breadth. So we can find the total surface area of the cylinder. So now here notice that we have formed two circles and one rectangle. These are two circles and this is a one rectangle. The two circles serves as our basis of our cylinder and the rectangular region represent the body. So now moving for next, how can we solve the surface area of a cylinder? How can we find the surface area of the cylinder? To solve the surface area of a cylinder, add the areas of the circular basis and the areas of the rectangular region, which is the body of the cylinder. So now try to understand. This is the formula in order to solve the surface area of cylinder. That is, in short form, we will write the surface area as SA. S stand for surface and A stand for area. So area of two circular bases plus area of rectangle, or we can write this, we derive at this formula as surface area equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r into h. Where comes this 2 pi r? This 2 pi r is the circumference, that is the length of the rectangle, and h, this is the breadth. So length into breadth, that is 2 pi r into h. So we will get the surface area of the cylinder 2 pi r plus h. This is the total surface area of the cylinder. This is the formula of total surface area of the cylinder. But if it is required only surface area of the cylinder, then we will remove these area of basis. So the surface area of cylinder is only 2 pi r h. But keep in mind that total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r and r plus h. Now moving for next, find the surface area of cylindrical water tank given the height of 20 meter and the radius of 5 meter. Use as pi equal to 3.14. So dear, here given h equal to 20 meter and r equal to 5 meter. So the total surface area, that is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Substitute the all values 2 and pi is 3.14 and r is given here 5. So here is r square, means we will put here 5 square and plus 2 pi means 3.14 and r means 5 meter and h means 20 meter. So on simplifying this, we will get 157 meter square plus 628 meter square. So total it is convert, that is total surface area is 785 meter square for this water tank. Surface area of a cone. Now moving for surface area of cone. So what do you understand by cone? So dear, this geometrical shape is known as cone. Cone has circular base and a vertex that is not in the same plane as in a right cone. The height meets the base at its center. So try to understand what is things into the cone. So this line segment is known as height of cone and this is also perpendicular height. And this is known as the lateral surface area. Dear, try to understand this yellow, total whole yellow part is known as lateral surface area. And this base, this is blue part is known as base. So this is the base and this line segment is known as radius of the cone. And this point is the vertex of directly above the center of the circle. अगर यहाँ पर बेस ये है तो बेस के ठीक ऊपर टॉप पर आपको इसका वर्टेक्स मिलेगा और वर्टेक्स को रेडियस के सेंट्रल पॉइंट से अगर हम ज्वाइन करेंगे तो ये इसका हाइट होगा. बट दिस लाइन सेगमेंट इज नोन एज स्लैंट हाइट and slant height is noted by the L. Therefore, the height of a cone is the perpendicular distance between the vertex and the base. The slant height of a cone is the distance between the vertex and a origin in the base and base its. That is, you can see here, this is the slant height. So this is the base point and this is the vertex. So this line segment is known as slant height, and if we join these 2 points vertically, then this is the height of the cone. Now moving for next, surface area of cone. How can you find the surface area of a cone? Surface area of cone equal to area of base, because here is single base, and the area of the sector. So area of base plus pi radius of base into the slant height means surface area of the cone is b plus pi rl. B means area of base and area of base is pi r square, because this is the circular part. So the area of the circle is pi r square and the area of this upper top part is pi r l total. So we can take here pi r as a common, then we will get total surface area of cone is pi r into r plus l. So this is the total surface area of the cone. Now here lateral area of cone. Lateral area means surface area minus area of the base. It means you will find on the yellow part of the cone, that is pi r l. Removing base, we will get the lateral surface area of the cone, and this is also known as surface area of the cone, that is pi r l. But total surface area is, that is pi r under bracket r plus l. And keep in mind that the unit of area always unit square, that is centimeter square, meter square, kilometer square, etc. So dear, now here is a question. Find the surface area of cone to the nearest whole numbers. So dear, this is a cone, the radius is given that 4 centimeter 4 inch, okay, and this is slant height is given that 6. So the formula is total surface area of the cone is pi r square plus pi r l. So dear, pi into r is given here 4, so it is square, 4 square, and plus pi for r l. R means 4 and l means 6. L, this is the slant height. So on simplifying, 4 square means 16 and 4 6 are 24 pi. So 16 pi plus 24 pi, we will get 40 pi, and the value of pi is 3.14. On multiplying this, we will get 126 in square, because unit is given here in inch. So we will write this 126 inch square. So now dear, example number 2. Find the surface area of the cone to the nearest whole number. ओके, नियरेस्ट होल नंबर का मतलब है अगर डेसिमल में आपका आंसर आ रहा है तो आप उसे कन्वर्ट करके होल नंबर में लिख देंगे. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आपका आंसर आया 2.6, तो 6 दिस इज ग्रेटर देन 5, तो वी विल रिमूव 6 एंड ऐड 1 in the whole number. So 2.6 we will write it 3. Okay, but if it is 2.4, either 2.3 or 2.2, then we will remove directly without any changing and write the area is only 2. मतलब अगर डेसिमल के बाद का नंबर 5 से छोटा है, 5 से छोटा है, तो उसे डायरेक्ट रिमूव कर देंगे और डेसिमल के पहले वाला पार्ट आंसर हो जाएगा। और अगर डेसिमल के बाद का पार्ट 5 से ज्यादा है या 5 है तो इसे रिमूव तो करेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले डेसिमल के पहले जो नंबर लिखा है उसमें 1 प्लस कर देंगे, तो उसी को कहते हैं नियरेस्ट होल नंबर। ओके, सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन तो द हाइट ऑफ द कोन इज गिवन 5 feet, यानी यूनिट इज गिवन इन फीट, एंड the radius of the cone is 12 feet, and this is the slant height. It is not given here. So first of all we will find using the formula, that is in right angle triangle by Pythagorean theorem, we will find the slant height of this cone, that is L square equal to R square plus H square, means hypotenuse square equal to height square plus base square. So dear, we will get R is given 12 and H is given 5. So 12 square means 144 and 5 square means 25, and sum of this gives here 169, and the square root of 169 is 13. Therefore slant height is given here 13 feet. Now next, here R is 12 and L is 13, so that total surface area of the cone is pi r square plus pi rl. Now substituting all the values, R is 12 square, because here is R square, so you put here the value of R, that is 12, and square is same to same, and pi r means 12 and L means 13. So on simplifying, 12 square means 144 and pi means pi. After that 12 into 13 means 156, and this is pi. Now 144 pi plus 156 pi, that is 300 pi, and the value of pi is 3.14. On multiplying this we will get 942 feet square, because area is always in unit square. So unit is given here feet, so you will put here feet square. This is the answer. This is the total surface area of the cone. Now on your own calculate the surface area of, means ye question, calculate the surface area of the cone, that is here is given. You can identify what is given here. Height is 9 meter and R is 7 meter. So the total surface area of the cone is pi r square plus pi rl. You put all the values. R is 7, so you put here 7 square, because this is R square, and pi r means 7, and 11.40, because L is not given here. So you will find using Pythagorean theorem first of all L. So you will get L equal to 11.40. On simplifying this you will get 49 pi, and this is multiplying by 7 in this number, so you will get 79.80 pi. Therefore this sum is given here 128.8 pi. Okay, so this is the answer of this question in term of pi. Now dear, this is the next question. Calculate the lateral surface area, otherwise lateral area, otherwise surface area only. In previous question we have to find total surface area, but in this question only lateral surface area or surface area. So dear, the formula of lateral surface area is pi r l, but in this question L is given 12 centimeter and R is given that 5 centimeter. So you direct put here the values. You will get pi 5 into 13 means 65, and pi same to same. So this is the lateral surface area of the cone in term of pi unit square. Okay, sorry, centimeter is given, so you can write here 65 pi centimeter square.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, welcome in our online study of mathematics.